Yeah, you're gonna get tired of looking at me this way. So we are off to transplant a wild blueberry. This one is next to the driveway. We just found it this morning, and it is problematic in its placement. Why? Because I have mowed that sucker down probably 4 times, and if it were to die from being transplanted, sorry, I was looking at wild blueberry bushes. If it were to die from being transplanted, it's not going to upset us greatly, but as you can see, if it'll focus, these are wild blueberries and they are blooming. And this guy, where's my finger? Right here, already has fruit on it. There's another one with a better example. If I can get it to focus, tiny little blueberries. Hardly a leaf on the thing. This little guy. Only about 1.5 feet tall, but it's got some size on him and probably has quite a big root ball. We will find out momentarily. That's a right pretty looking little plant. It's got the most leaves of it on it of any of the blueberries at the moment. This is a momentous occasion because we have transplanted edible items from on the property to an organized location. Woohoo! So we've only moved we've got a couple of hundred others. This guy was up by the driveway, the gate, and was pretty much in full sun, so he's got lots of foliage. This little guy was alongside the driveway further down, closer to the potato patch, and was not getting a lot of sun, but you can see the blooms. So we're hoping that the foliage comes up, and it looks like there was a much larger plant at the base. So we're hoping that all of that's blueberry that comes back, otherwise we'll have to trim it out. And somebody told us, rumor, that blueberries like acid, so we are putting coffee grounds on the blueberries. Woohoo! They should like that if she can get the container open. There. You know, it's a good thing we drink coffee. If the quality of the coffee is any indication, these things should be about 10 feet tall by tomorrow. Okay. That's good enough for now. We're tired. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.